Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. This is accompanied with a 7-speed DSG Automatic transmission. This example comes in the lovely bright pink colour chrome yellow. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Kombi sits on a set of 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke design. We'll also find a set of mud flaps across all 4 wheels. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there is a rear view reversing camera which is located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area, we have an increased amount of storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format. The floor is lined with a rubber floor covering and there's some lashing points dotted on the floor itself. Access into the rear passenger area can be found behind the twin power sliding doors. In the back there's a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. These seats can be folded flat and also removed, allowing extra space in the back of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the bricks woven fabric cloth upholstery. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes the Discover Media navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the vehicle we'll find the climate controls. The van features 2 front heated seats and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.